Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you the projector settings overview on your Xiaomi Smart Projector L1 Pro. So first, let's go to settings. Here we go to projector. Now the first setting that we have here is the Keystone correction. Here we can execute auto keystone correction and it will basically adjust the projector, as you guys can see. Now it's much better and different. So now here we have auto keystone correction. We can of course disable it or enable it depending on our preference if you want it to be adjusted automatically. Here we have easy view and easy fit when the auto keystone correction is enabled. So this will basically adjust the projected image to avoid obstacles, and now this will adjust the projected image to fit the screen. So here you guys can easily enable it, and here you have the manual keystone correction. As you guys can see here, you can adjust the keystone on your own. So let me save those settings, leave, and let me show you how to reset it. So go back here, and now here we will have the reset button. Now it's much different than it was before, so let's click execute auto keystone correction. And as you guys can see, it's back to what it was. Now this is all for the keystone correction. The next one is the focus. Here you guys can execute focus. As you guys can see, it will autofocus. Here we can enable or disable the autofocus, and here we can put the manual focus. As you guys can see, we can do just that. So let me adjust it so it's very clear. Or simply stop and execute it once again to make sure that it looks good. Now let me leave from it. And here we will have projection types. So here we can see the front projection to the desktop, the rear projection to the desktop, the front projection to the ceiling mount, and the rear projection also to the ceiling mount. So as you guys can see, it looks a bit different now, as you guys can see. So yeah, so that's it. These are all the settings from the projector section. And yeah, that would be it. So thank you guys for watching. Make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and see you next time. Bye.